What's up guys, welcome back once again to my channel. How are you today? Hopefully you are good. Guys, in today's video it is going to be more of a one-on-one video because I'm going to be giving you tips on how to start a fashion business of your own as a beginner. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more detailed videos on sewing tutorials, sewing know-hows, tips and tricks. Okay, also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Okay, at the end of this video you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. So without taking much of our time, let's get into today's business. So as a beginner, the first thing you have to know is to dream big. Yes, I said it. As a beginner, you have to dream big. You see all those fashion trends out there, luxury fashion designs, and you are scared. You are like, can I be able to achieve this on my own? Yes, darling, you can achieve all those, because you see all those big fashion designers, they actually started like you. They were once a beginner in their life, so there is nothing to be scared of. So you have to dream big as you can. All right, so moving on to our second tip. The next thing on my list here, because I just have to write them down so that I will not be missing any tips that I want to give out to you guys. So my second tip here is learn. Yes, give your way out for learning. Be open to learning. Accommodate new knowledge. Whatever that is being taught, understand it. Okay, learn. All right, because from experience I found out that sometimes when you are teaching a beginner, okay, they'll be like, you see some of them kind of in a haste. Okay, they'll be like, I already know this, maybe just get to the next step of whatever you are going to teach us. You just have to keep calm. Okay, open yourself to learning, keep calm and learn, because at the end of the day you'll find out that that particular topic you're about to skip, that you want to skip, that you actually learned something new from it. So keep calm and learn. Tip number 3, practice. Yes, I know majority of us are victim of this. Me personally, I'm a victim of this number 3 tip. Yes, because back in the days when I was still a learner, I'm not saying I know it all. As it is, I'm still learning, I'm still improving. So I'm just saying that when I was a beginner, that in those days I learn, but I don't practice much. I hardly practice. Okay, so at a point I just have to come out of my comfort zone and start to practice. It really helped me a lot. So as a beginner, I would advise you practice a lot. Okay, so now tip number 4 is to start with simple styles. Okay, I know you want to sew all those luxurious styles, corsets, you have them all in your head. You want to start doing it. Okay, calm down, eventually you will do that. Okay, so I would advise you start with the simple styles like cutting a basic skirt, a gown, a shift dress, all these easy to do fashion sewing tutorials. Okay, just start with them. All right, so guys, tip number 5. Okay, do not cut too many clothes. Yes, I know you want to sew all the styles, but you have to start with one. Okay, maybe you cut a skirt, you sew that one first, be true with it before you cut another style. Okay, don't get yourself frustrated, take it one step at a time. All right, so our last but not the least, all right, get yourself a mentor. Yes, you need a mentor as a beginner. All right, the thing that this mentor is going to do for you is that it's going to push you. You're going to learn fast having a mentor, someone that will direct you, someone that will correct you from mistakes, or someone that can even not allow you to make those mistakes in the first place. Okay, so you really need a mentor. There should be someone you are looking up to in the fashion business. All right, so get yourself a mentor. And that will be it for today's topic. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the notification bell. See you on my next one. Bye.